What is this called? This is called verb. This is a verb. You can say verb, verbed, verbed, verbing. Okay. Like you can say he verbed. He verbed after drinking soda. He verbed after drinking soda. Or you can say, are you burping? Are you burping? I'm not burping. Okay. So let's see another word. What is this called? This is called hiccup. Hiccup. Okay. So verb 1 hiccup, verb 2 hiccuped, verb 3 hiccuped, verb 4 hiccuping. You can say she started hiccuping. She started hiccuping after laughing too much. After laughing too much. Are you hiccuping? Are you hiccuping? I was hiccuping. I was hiccuping a lot. Bye bye.